I want to pay in a serious situation. And often this is a journey, starting out with free stuff, maybe not the best stuff even, and then migrating over to other stuff as money comes, the inflow to the company that we actually, yeah, it's good to invest now even more. So that's a journey, I would say. So that's some thoughts and questions on plugin choice. Alright, so I'll switch to the last question I wanted to bring up. What should we use this for? Not this. Let me get out of here and let it go. What should we bring this up to you guys is that this is the way, maybe the best way as of today, to build your own tools. Both for the market, as my friend said here, build something, get investment, and you have an app out in the world. This is the starting point. But also internal tools. We don't talk a lot about that because it's so fun starting companies and doing cool apps. But internal tools, optimizing and just enhancing the performance of our organization, it's a huge opportunity. Huge opportunity. And of course using AI for that as well. And so Bubble and I, as I said, this veterinarian chain, it's an internal tool. It's huge, but it's still internal. So we built that here, and so that's a way also to cut costs, get that moving faster, be more agile. When their business change, you can change the app quicker for them to match their business needs. So I would say actually there are two use cases, if you like, for why even bother, so to say. So yeah, I have to take thoughts or comments on that. Let's do some more fun stuff with our app. Of course, text is fun, but images are more fun, right? So let's do that. Right. So to do that, we are actually going to do basically the same thing. Now you built an app. You're there. You're over the threshold. You've done it. So what we're going to do now is just more of the same. So you're going to, everything you learned so far, you will just, I recognize that, we're doing some variation of that. And so I hope this is a little bit like that, a little bit easier now that you're warmed up to things, so to say. So how we do this is, let's start with the UX, the user interface first, as we usually do. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. So I'll just for simplicity. And in the same way as we did before, I just scroll down a bit and find this, where is it? The multi-line input, and I just add another one and say, yeah, now we're going to make images. So that's a separate prompt. Like that. So you guys could do that. Let's do this. Sometimes when you read this, okay, it's not. Yeah, so you have to. Okay. Yeah, let me show you the markers. Yeah. That to image prompt, oh, like that. So do the same, give that a good name, because now when we have a good name we can add the workflow. So clicking the add workflow button now allows us to tell what will happen when the user clicks the generate image button. So let's add a workflow for that. And as you might understand, imagine we you can type image, because now we're not using the same action as before, which was called completion, because that works with text. Now our app is gonna call OpenAI, asking it to do something else. So we call another part of OpenAI actually, and we're gonna use it in DALL-E and DALL-E 3. So just type image and it will come up on the list, and stuff. So I have the text telling me that the user there's an image prompt coming, and then on the visual elements or this list of elements I can put on the page, I scroll a bit down. And then I find my favorite multiple input, and I put that on the screen or on the page. And I would call this image prompt. So now, if I just reload the page, my page has a new input field, so we're in the UX, we're good to go. On that part, I can type things in there, so that's the first step, and that's called image prompt. And then I just need to add a button because I cannot use the same button as for generating text, because generating text is something completely different. We will use other parts of OpenAI for generating the image. So I'll just put that there.